Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Rose Ann Corpus. I am 39 years old. My height is 5'2". My kilo is 60. I do not have any long-term medication or maintenance. I do not have any serious illness or disease. I do not have any tattoo. I have live-in partner but we are not yet married. We have 4 children. I am a high school graduate. I have TESDA in situ domestic helper. I have working experience as a domestic helper in UAE, Middle East. My duties are house cleaning, cooking, washing them all clothes, washing them all dishes, and gardening, taking care of the children's, and prepare for the food snack of the children's. I do not have any experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong, but I am willing to take care of newborn babies, children, and 1 year old and above, and healthy disabled elderly. I am willing to take care of pets and big dog, cats. I am willing to do cooking, Chinese cooking, gardening, cleaning, and washing the clothes. I am willing to share job with another Filipino or Indonesian helper. I am willing to share room with other family members or another helper. I can also sing lullaby, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, to my employer. I hope Ma'am and Sir you will hire me, and I will do my best. I will do my responsibilities as your helper, Ma'am and Sir. Thank you.